topic of discussion is simultaneous linear differential equations with constant coefficients. And here I will cover the definition of simultaneous differential equation and different types of simultaneous differential equations, then methods of solution, and next a few examples. Now the definition. The type of differential equations which involve one independent variable and two or more than two dependent variables are called simultaneous differential equations. For example, 1 and 2, these are simultaneous linear differential equations. Linear, why? Because here order 1 in the derivatives and one independent variable, this t in the system 1 as well as in system 2, t is the independent variable. And in the system 1, dependent variables are x and y. In the system 2, the dependent variables are x, y, z. The types of simultaneous linear differential equations are general form and normal form. The general form of simultaneous linear differential equations. The general linear system of two first order differential equations in two dependent variables x and y is of this form. Here a1t, a2t, a3t, a4t, b1t, b2t, b3t, b4t, f1t, f2t, these are all functions of t or constants. The left hand side terms the coefficients a1t, a2t, a3t, a4t, this b1t, b2t, b3t, b4t. If these are variable, then it will be simultaneous linear differential equations with variable coefficients. But if these are constants, then it will be called simultaneous linear differential equations with constant coefficient. So I am giving this example for simultaneous linear differential equations with constant coefficients. For two linear differential equations in two dependent variables x and y, the normal form is this. dx dt is equal to a11tx plus a12ty plus f1t, dy dt is equal to a21tx plus a22ty plus f2t. Here a11, a12t, f1t, a21t, a22t, f2t, these are all functions of t or constants. So if you consider functions of t, then it will be called simultaneous differential equations with variable coefficients. If you consider constants here, it will be called simultaneous differential equations with constant coefficients in the normal form. For example, dx dt is equal to minus twice x plus 3y plus t, dy dt is equal to 3x minus twice y plus e to the power twice t. It's a normal form simultaneous differential equation system. Both the general and normal form that we have discussed can be extended for n first order differential equations in n dependent variables as well as n mth order differential equations in n unknowns. Let's see the methods for solving simultaneous linear differential equations. The first method, using differential operator d. Here to explain the method, I am considering a system of simultaneous differential equations linear type, considering two dependent variables xy and one independent variable that t. Here f1d, f2d, g1d, g2d, these are all functions of the operator d. Right side, this f1t, f2t, these are functions of the independent variable t. And the operator d means d dt. This process of solving, or you can say to get the values of x, y, this process is same as getting solution of system of linear equations of this type. The way we find the solutions for x, y for this kind of system of linear equations, that process we can apply for this simultaneous linear differential equations also. To solve this system, what we can do, we can first eliminate any one of the variable x or y, and for that, if we want to eliminate this y from the equations, then operating on both sides of equation 3 by g2d and operating on both sides of equation 4 by f2d and subtracting 4 from 3, y will be eliminated, only x will be there, and the right hand side will be this. Then this is a function of the operator d, so simply we can write in this form fd over x, and the right hand side, after operating over these functions of t, we will get simply a function of t. This is a linear differential equation in x and t. Linear differential equation in x and t, and using any method for solving linear differential equation of x and t, easily we can find the value of x. Then putting the value of x in any one of these equations 3 or 4, we can easily find the value of y. Here students, instead of eliminating that y, what you can do, you can eliminate x also, and after eliminating x, you will get an equation, linear differential equation in y and t. Then you will get the value of y in terms of t. Then using that value of y in any one of the equation, you will get the x. Students, here one important point you have to remember: the number of independent arbitrary constants in the general solution of this system is equal to the order of the operator d in this determinant. f1d, f2d, g1d, g2d, provided this determinant is non-zero. In the second method, if the system of equations is of this form, here I am taking x, y, 2 dependent variables, t independent variable, f1t, f2t right side functions are functions of t independent variable. Then to obtain the solutions, first you have to differentiate 5 or 6 to eliminate x or y. Then solving the equations obtained after eliminating x or y, the value of the dependent variables we can easily obtain. Students, we shall discuss some examples of general form and normal form in the next part of this video lecture, and you will get the link in the description section for the next part.